I can run fast.
I can run fast.
I can walk slowly.
I can walk slowly.
I can jump high.
I can jump high. I can jump high.
I can sit quietly.
I can sit quietly.
I can stand up.
I can stand up.
I can clap my hands.
I can clap my hands.
I can open the door.
I can open the door.
I can close the window.
I can close the window.
I can read a book.
I can read a book.
I can write my name.
I can write my name.
I can color a picture.
I can color a picture.
I can sing a song.
I can sing a song.
I can dance happily.
I can dance happily.
I can count numbers.
I can count numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I can add numbers.
I can add numbers. See? 1 plus 2 equals 3.
I can speak English.
Wow!
And you can learn too.
Yeah! I can speak English.
Hello. I can say hello.
Hello? I can say hello.
I can ask questions.
I can ask questions.
I can answer politely.
I can answer politely.
That's wonderful. Go ahead.
I can eat an apple.
I can eat an apple.
I can drink water.
I can drink water.
I can wash my hands.
I can wash my hands.
I can brush my teeth.
I can brush my teeth.
I can comb my hair.
I can comb my hair.
I can wear my shoes.
I can wear my shoes.
I can tie my laces.
I can tie my laces.
I can pack my bag.
I can pack my bag.
I can go to school.
I can go to school.
I can follow rules.
Me too. And me. We can all follow rules. I can follow rules.
I can help my mother.
Oh, that would be lovely, dear.
I can help my mother.
Of course, sweetie. I'd love your help.
I can clean my room.
I can clean my room.
I can make my bed.
I can make my bed.
I can water plants.
I can water plants.
I can feed the pet.
I can feed the pet. I can share my toys.
That's very kind of you.
I can share my toys.
Really? Thank you. It's so cool.
I can wait my turn.
My turn.
I can wait my turn.
Thank you. I can say thank you.
I can say thank you.
I'm sorry. I can say sorry.
I can say sorry.
I can play football.
I can play football.
I can ride a bicycle.
I can ride a bicycle.
I can throw the ball.
I can throw the ball.
I can catch the ball.
I can catch the ball.
I can run in the park.
I can run in the park.
I can play with friends.
I can play with friends.
Now, follow the lines.
I can follow the game.
Good, your turn. Are you sure you can follow this?
I can follow the game.
He's a pro. All right, show me. Watch this. I can enjoy playing.
I can enjoy playing.
I can watch cartoons. I can watch cartoons. I can listen carefully.
I can listen carefully.
I can hear sounds.
I can hear sounds.
I can hear sounds. I can see colors.
I can see colors.
I can touch soft things. I can touch soft things.
Really?
Yes, like this pillow. I can smell the flowers.
I can smell flowers.
I can taste food.
I can taste food.
I can feel happy.
I can feel happy.
I can feel proud.
I can feel proud.
I can stay calm.
I can stay calm.
I can stretch.
I can stretch.
I can sleep on time.
I can sleep on time.
I can get ready fast.
I can get ready fast.
I can go outside.
I can go outside.
I can come back home.
I can come back home.
I can cross carefully.
I can cross carefully.
I can follow signals.
I can follow signals.
I can keep myself safe.
I can keep myself safe.
I can be careful.
I can be careful.
I can be kind.
I can be kind.
I can love my family.
We love you too, Grandpa.
Yes, we do. Always.
I can love my family.
I can respect youngers.
I can respect elders.
That's wonderful to hear, dear.
Thank you, Grandma.